Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're seeing my face for the first time, welcome. So today I have a Flipkart kurti haul, short kurti haul. So I had ordered a couple of items from Flipkart. मैंने Flipkart से I don't think पहले कभी इतना clothes का shopping किया है, so I wanted to try their kurtis in the affordable range, and so I got 5 of them. They are all pretty cute and I wanted to share my review के वो कैसा है. I know Flipkart is not really known for their clothes, but I still wanted to go for some kurtis and see how the products are, whether they're worth the price. Everything is very affordable. I think everything is like within 300 rupees. So without delaying anymore, let's start the haul. So before I start the haul, I ordered all the kurtis in the size M, but all of them मुझे थोड़ा टाइट हुआ है. नॉर्मली मैं मीशो में साइज चेस्ट 38 ऑर्डर करती हूँ, and that fits me perfectly, but I think it depends from website. So just bear that in mind कि when I do the try-ons, they are a little tight on my body, so I have to probably size up, and but I wanted to make the video क्योंकि साइज से हाउ द मटीरियल इज एंड एवरीथिंग उससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, एंड दे स्टिल फिट प्रिटी वेल ऑन माई बॉडी. सम ऑफ देम आर टू टाइट फॉर माई लाइकिंग. सो द फर्स्ट कुर्ती इज दिस वन. दिस इज़ फ्रॉम अ ब्रांड कांच क्रिएशन. मीडियम में लिया है मैंने. दिस इज़ इन रेयन. एब्सोल्युटली लव इट. शॉर्ट कुर्ती है, बट आई लव द नेक डिटेलिंग. दिस इज़ एक्चुअली परफेक्ट फॉर समर. ये मैंने पहना भी है, and for like 1 or 2 times in the heat of Kolkata, and it's completely fine. मुझे इतना इसमें like I did not feel very sweaty, uncomfortable. मुझे irritation नहीं हुआ. So love the detailing over here, love this work. It's very basic, but the material is very nice. The stitching is nice. कहीं से कोई धागा ये सब नहीं निकल रहा है. So I really like this one. So I would recommend it. Like if I have to rate it, it would be like a 4 on 5. So yeah, cute. So the next kurti that I got is this gorgeous piece. रेयन का है. सिर्फ 253 रुपीज़ का है, like 250 रुपये में. So beautiful detailing. ये मुझे थोड़ा टाइट हुआ है, as you can see in the try on. And so what I really like about this kurti is the neckline. So it is a little deep. So if you are a little heavy busted, that could be an issue, but I think the kurti is very very cute. So 250 रुपये में it's a steal deal. Really like the detailing here. Short and cute. Really like the product. It's a 4.5 on 5. The third kurti that I got is actually very very popular on social media. You will see Instagram ads, Meesho Pay, Flipkart Pay, Myntra Pay, even more expensive brands, and you will see these kurtis all over the place. So I had to get this one. This kurti 264 rupees का है. This is in cotton, and this was there in another beautiful pink color, but वो stock out हो गया था, so I got this one. I think it's a very very cute color, and it's perfect for summer. White and green. Love the quality, love the fit. थोड़ा tight है मुझे, but this one is I think is like fits better than the other ones which I got. ये भी मैंने medium में ही लिया है. So it's not transparent at all. So it's not वैसा जिसमें you have to wear like a camisole inside. It's not like that. It's very very nice. I love the detailing. नीचे भी वही detailing है. I know it's something I bought because it's on trend. So I really like the kurti. 4.5 on 5. It's a perfect one for summer. The next kurti, the fourth kurti is this one. Such a simple design. It's a zigzag design, green और white में. I think this time I was really focused on getting green kurtis. So वो I really like this shade of green. ये 263 रुपीज़ का है. ये कॉटन ब्लेंड में है. परफेक्ट फॉर समर. ये मैंने पहना भी है 1-2 बार after I got it, and really comfortable. I think it's very perfect for office wear, for college, for like running errands. Like it's very very casual, and it's really really cute. मुझे इसका ये डिज़ाइन बहुत अच्छा लगा. मुझे इसका नेकलाइन भी बहुत अच्छा लगा, एंड या इट्स प्रिटी नाइस, एंड क्वालिटी इज़ गुड. अभी तक तो कोई धागा वागा निकला नहीं है. इट्स नॉट ट्रांसपेरेंट, इट्स नॉट सी थ्रू. सो या आई थिंक इट्स प्रिटी स्टैंडर्ड बेसिक कुर्ती है ये. सो इसको भी मैं 4 दूंगी 5 में. आई हैव कम डाउन टू द लास्ट कुर्ती ऑफ दिस हॉल, एंड ये 265 रुपीज़ का ये ब्यूटिफुल येलो कुर्ती. So this one I just love the contrast, that light yellow summer में उसके ऊपर white की ये beautiful detailing. Problem is ये मुझे थोड़ा tight हुआ है. It's quite like it doesn't really fit me, so I will probably size up. And ये थोड़ा इसमें भी थोड़ा वो नेक डीप है, तो इफ दैट्स एन इशू यू कैन अवॉइड इट, बट अदरवाइज ब्यूटिफुल पीस एंड इट्स नॉट सी थ्रू एट ऑल. एंड पीछे से ये ऐसा है, द डिज़ाइन इज ऑल ओवर द बॉडी, आगे पीछे. सो आई रियली लाइक इट. इसमें ना देयर वर अदर कलर ऑप्शंस बट आई रियली लाइक द येलो वन. इसमें भी ग्रीन था बट आई काइंड ऑफ डिसाइडेड कि बहुत सारा ग्रीन हो गया है ऑलरेडी. सो या वन इशू विद दिस वन इज इसमें थोड़े बहुत धागे निकल रहे हैं अभी से. इट्स ब्रांड न्यू, मैंने उतना पहना भी नहीं इसको. सो या मे नॉट हैव द बेस्ट फिनिशिंग, बट आई थिंक अदर देन दैट इफ यू कैन इग्नोर दैट और उसको तुम थोड़ा काट वाट लो तो I think it's a pretty good deal. So I would give this like a 4 on 5. That was my Flipkart short kurti haul, and I'm going to put all the links in the product description. So if you like any one of them, you can just click on that and directly get it from Flipkart. And if you like this video, if you like the collection, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That motivates me to bring out more such content. And I'll see you everyone soon. Bye.